Hey everyone, it's Shana with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today I thought I would just pop on really quick and do a nice quick short video on another ornament update. I'm going to be updating these old outdated pear ornaments, and I'm going to be turning them into something that hopefully I can use in my house for just regular decor and not just for Christmas. I'm going to be using DIY paint, Cottage Colors, in the color White Linen. This paint's really cool because it has a built-in sealer, so I'm not going to have to seal this once I'm done. I'm just going to paint on one or two coats, whatever it takes, and then I'm going to be able to do the next step. And although I love this paint, you could use any white paint or whatever color you want. For my cute little pears, they're all painted white now and they look a lot better. I'm going to do a quick distress on them, and then I'm going to use my Iron Orchid Designs Traditional Pots Transfer. Alright, because I used the paint that has a built-in sealer, doing like a wet distress wouldn't work. And so I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of sandpaper and just bring some of that dark that was on the edges. I want to bring some of that back out, and that's all I'm looking for. Alright, now let's pick out some transfers. I've already used several out of here, so let's see. We want to make sure that they fit. The angel is perfect, so I'm going to be cutting that out. One of the great things about these transfer sets is even though it's pretty much like this is one, you can cut it out in pieces and you can just use parts of it. You don't have to use the whole thing. So I'm just going to use the angel and the word above it, which probably is angel in French. I don't speak French, so I don't know. So I'm just going to use that part. So there's one. Let's see. Maybe this one. Let's see. These ones right here are actually white. So when you put them on a dark surface, they look really nice. And then we've got blue as well. I think we're going to stick with black. So we're just going to work with these 2 pages that I have left here. Oh, I feel like this little part right here might be nice. Just this part. I feel like this duck could work. Alright, so when you buy a transfer from IOD, it comes with a transfer applicator stick, and that's what this is. And then so it's going to have a backing on it, and you want to keep that on until you're ready to use your transfer, because if it sticks to something, then it's stuck. So you want to peel your backing off when you're ready to use it, and then you're going to line it up with where you want to put it. And this is actually a curved surface, so this is a little bit advanced. So I like to start in the middle on a curved surface, and you just kind of stick it down. And you're going to take your applicator stick and you're just going to start rubbing. And as you rub, it's going to stick down onto the surface. Like I said, this is curved surface, so it's a little advanced. So I'm just going to rub everything. And then once I think it's stuck down, I'm just going to start pulling up the edge of it. And if it's not stuck, then you just rub a little bit more. And then give it another try. And see how it just kind of pulls up. And we have another part that's not stuck, but don't worry. Part of it came off, part of it's still on the paper. Just rub that part down. And there we go, it's starting to pull up. And I just kind of try to keep it in place until I'm sure everything came down. See how right there, sorry, that's a little close on the bee. The bee didn't stick all the way. So I'm just going to keep it in the same spot. Rub it and see, now it's down. There we go. It's a Simple as that. So there we go. And so after you've got it down, just to make sure everything is on there good and nothing is going to accidentally get peeled up if you rub your hand across it, just take the back of your plastic and lightly rub over, kind of like in a circular motion. This is called burnishing, and that's going to make sure everything is stuck down really nice and good to go. So there's our first one, and I think it looks pretty cute. I think these are going to be nice with like a little bit of a French theme. Well, here they are, all done, and I think it's a huge improvement on what they looked like before. I absolutely love them. All I did was add a cute green ribbon to them, and I think it really pulled off that beautiful French vibe, and I'm definitely going to be using these around my house and not just for Christmas. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed that project. I think it turned out super cute, and what I love about this products is that you can use them on anything around your house to update your decor. It doesn't have to just be like a Christmas ornament or something like that, and they're super easy to use. And if you want to buy any of the paint products that I use, make sure to go to dancingdaisydesigns.com. Everything's there ready for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you.